Hello everyone, welcome to Zycoo channel. In this video, I will share with you something about the multicast feature, including an introduction to this feature and how to set it up. The multicast settings are used to configure the parameter settings of the multicast function on the safety intercom. It can configure to monitor up to 9 different levels of multicast addresses. The audio streams with a higher priority will interrupt the playback of the lower priority audio streams. Using multicast, a source can send a single copy of data to a single multicast address, which is then distributed to an entire group of recipients. In the case of all endpoints are under the same network environment, multicast can be used for broadcasting without a server. Next, I will show you how to enable the multicast feature. First, you need to enter the endpoint device's IP address to log in the management page. Here, I use the Vol.03 as an example. Choose Advanced Multicast on the left navigation bar and set it as Enabled. Then you will see the multicast address on your screen. And click Submit to update this setting. And I will disable all the SIP accounts to make sure to use the multicast feature. Next, log into the master phone's management page. Choose Function key on the left navigation bar. Select Multicast Paging tab and set a name. Fill the multicast address and the port number into the value. And click Apply to save this setting. So far, the multicast settings are complete. Now we can test it. I will dial the multicast function key to connect the Vol.03 intercom. The call is dialed successfully. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for your watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send them to our email. See you next time.